Good morning, this is day 3 in Bosnia and Herzegovina. And today is a Sunday, kaya narinig yung mga churches ngayon. And it's also her birthday! Happy birthday! Naglalakad kami sa gitna ng street, ng kalye. May nabasa kami message, yung mga friends namin and family sa UAE. Sabi nila, i-check namin yung IP video namin sa bahay. And may sinet up sila doon, ginigreet si Joy ng happy birthday. So nandito kami sa gitna, nagsisigaw kami, nag-video call kami.
Yes, thank you. Hello, ang galing lang. Thank you. Maingay kami, aga-aga.
We woke up early habang tulog pa ang Herzegovina kasi may hahanapin kaming statue na na-mention ng tour guide kahapon. Isa pa palang napansin namin kahapon nung naglalakad kami. Malapit dun sa tinitira namin sa Airbnb namin, merong sementeryo. Now, you might think it's normal na magkaroon ng sementeryo. And of course, you're right. Kaya lang, tong sementeryo na to, parang lahat ng nakalibing dito, ang year of death nila ay
1992.
which was during the Civil War. May communist, may Catholic, and may Muslim, may Christians. So this is a grave site of people who died during the Civil War. And nandito lang siya sa may highway. It serves as a reminder nung nangyari nung 91 to 95 when ethnic groups decided to go to war against each other for territory. And frankly, if napansin nyo, like example katulad kahapon, naglalakad kami sa mga areas, yung marami pa rin mga buildings na hindi pa rin nade-demolish or hindi pa rin napapalitan, hindi pa rin nare-restore. A lot of it has to do with money and a lot of it siguro yung iba as a memorial. Pero very normal, may makikita ka na bahay na gumuho yung bubong is still there kasi nabagsakan ng bomba or yung walls niya, yung dingding niya punong-puno ng mga bullet holes katulad nito. So that's probably damaged during the war. Makikita mo pa yung mga bullet marks, mga bullet marks, and scattered siya across the town. Makikita mo siya all throughout. Malapit na kami doon sa hinahanap namin. Guess where and what this is? This is a statue of Bruce Lee. Wow! Ngayon kung magtataka kayo kung bakit may statue ni Bruce Lee dito. Sabi ng tour guide namin, nung gusto nila magpatayo ng statue, hindi raw magkasundo yung iba't ibang ethnic groups kung ano yung itatayo nila na statue. Syempre gusto nila something Croat, something Serb, and something Bosnia. Until finally one group says, hindi, ganito na lang. Patayuan na lang natin ng statue ni Bruce Lee. Kaya nandito si Bruce Lee. Pero ang official version, they wanted something that symbolizes something they all have in common and something that does not misrepresent any of the ethnic groups. So halimbawa, si Bruce Lee, symbol siya ng loyalty, friendship, skill, and justice. Yun yung how they perceive Bruce Lee. Lahat sila favorable ang tingin kay Bruce Lee. Walang opinion si Bruce Lee tungkol sa World War II, tungkol sa Civil War. He's a very neutral figure na kahit hindi siya taga dito and he lived thousands of miles away, matagal na siyang patay, siya pa rin yung napili nila na maging symbol dito sa park na to. Astig, di ba?
Karate pala yun.
Kung Chinese martial arts and action superstars na lang ang pag-uusapan, personally, I would have preferred Jackie Chan. Having said that, in an area and in a situation na anything can be considered an act of provocation or in an area na tensionado, it's always helpful to grab onto whatever you have in common to keep the peace. And it just so happens na dito sa area na to, where the history is still fresh, that Bruce Lee is what binds these groups together. Stig, di ba? Makes sense. That's it. Buti na lang yung park na to nearby sa pinagsistayan namin.
Lapit lang. Tapos ang ganda. Parang walang gera noong 1995.
So ngayon, babalik na kami sa apartment namin. We'll have to check out na kasi after nung activity namin in the morning, kailangan na namin bumaba ng Sarajevo.
Yes. Pero, may gagawin muna kami. Mag-whitewater rafting kami! Woo!
Dito kami sa gitna ng bundok.
Yes.
Kasi dito kami magsisimula. Bubuhatin yung raft, ilalagay dun sa ilog. At tagal ng biyahe, isang oras din.
Yeah.
Katulog.
Oo. Ako muntik na. Biglang ayun na. Kung kailang makakaidlip na ako. Andito na kami.
It's her birthday, by the way, today. So yeah, that's why she doesn't get to row. She's gonna be lunch. Ayun, silent pusa. Oh, we did. Dive.
There you go. Really great team of cutting water. Really sweet. Cheers.
Kumusta ka?
Dubig ang saya.
Ay ko lumangoy. Higa ah. 1, 2. Kahit ilang beer ang namin ko, hindi ako malalasing pag lulubog ako dito. Lamig. How do you feel?
Lamig na.
We've ended here somewhere dito sa baba ng Neretva River. Walang kapaguran. Andito na kami sa Sarajevo. Nag-check-in lang kami sa hotel. The whitewater rafting was an excellent activity.
Very nice adventure.
Took us 5 hours, 6 hours.
6 hours lahat.
But it was good fun. We were whitewater rafting for around 4 to 5 hours. And the group that we're with, it's a mix of Filipino, French, German, English.
Yeah.
And Dino,
is the guide.
our Bosnian guide,
Yes.
helped us out. We really had great fun. Ang ganda, ang peaceful. Mainit lang pero masaya.
Super lamig ng tubig.
Yes, ang gina.
Nakakatakot malaglag.
Pero it was our first experience. Hindi nun sobrang harsh ng mga
But it was
waves.
long.
But it was long, yeah.
Hindi
And
namin alam kung ilang kilometers yun, pero mahaba talaga.
I would say sulit.
Yes.
Ngayon, since it's Joy's birthday, we spent the whole day whitewater rafting, and
Wala
today
pa kaming proper food.
sa Sarajevo, hindi pa kami kumakain, walang pagkain except yung watermelon lang na kinain namin dun
Na
sa...
nagpo-float sa water. Fresh water.
Yes. Tapos ngayon, we'll try and go for dinner to
Yes.
celebrate Rosella Joy's birthday.
Yay!
We don't know if this is really how it is during a Sunday here in Sarajevo, mainly because it's Eid. So it's a holiday for our Muslim brothers and sisters, and so it's a bit quiet and a bit tame. So marami nang narating tong kotse namin.
Yes!
It's not the newest car, but it works, does the job. We have a reservation at 7:45. And sana okay yung restaurant. Balik na kami Dubai bukas. Tapos may pasok na si Joy the following day.
Yep.
Ang name ng restaurant is The 4 Rooms of Mrs. Safija.
Oh, wait. So girly.
I think nagustuhan niya yung place.
Sobrang girly.
Fancy naman ng Monay. We don't normally go for fancy restaurants, but tonight is a special night. It's Joy's 25th birthday, and thankful kami for this day. Also, in a few hours, happy birthday, Cece. The second one is croquettes, dark forest. Kid, wow, not so us. But okay, try it.
Really good.
Up. Hindi ako sanay. Oh. Happy birthday.
Pasta for you, sir.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy it.
Thank you.
The name is Red Dragon. based from a book. But it's beef fillet, broccoli, apple sauce, I don't know, potato something.
I ordered tagliatelle. Tapos may veal fillet. Ayan, looks like I made a good choice. How's your steak?
Really good. Sarap. Hazelnut panna cotta. Yes. Pwede dalawa nito. Really good.
Looks like Joy's birthday dinner is a success. Enjoy siya. Good way to spend our last night in Bosnia and Herzegovina. Here in Sarajevo. 4 rooms of Mrs. Safija is the name of the restaurant.
Good night. See you tomorrow. Thank you, Irog. I love you.
We found the viewpoint where you can see the whole town.
Check out the view.
So we're back in the old town kung saan kami galing kahapon. Color yellow, color green, pero ang pangalan ng building,
Beige.
beige.
Rafting day.
Did you feel that?